It's awesome. So much less swaying. You can really feel the strength out of these things. Just feels a lot tighter in the back. So thank you guys. Now it's time to go for a test drive. This is feeling good. I'm pretty stoked. It just feels tighter in the back. I don't know how to describe it. Usually you get like the bounce back and forth as you do like a little like turn or waves. Here we go, tight right turn. And I'm not getting that, I don't feel it. It's awesome. So much less swaying. You can really feel the strength out of these things. It just feels a lot tighter in the back. So thank you guys.
It does feel smoother.
Right?
Yeah.
I just feel like we would have been like leaning a little bit more.
It's nice.
Much smoother of a ride. I wish we had it for Baja.
Yeah, it would have been nice.
It is definitely way better. It's so weird how like two little things could make such a drastic.
And it's on the back.
It's on the
right?
back, right? Yeah. It's so crazy. It's only 3 bolts.
Yeah, that's nuts.